Want to know how to delete your Odno Class Nikki account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. To delete your Odno Class Nikki account, you can use the app or any of the other web browser. Today, I'm going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on the web browser, tap on the search or type web address. Enter here ok.ru. This will take you to the official website of the Odno Class Nikki app. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on this profile-like icon just above your profile picture on the top left corner. Scroll down. On the bottom, just below settings, you will get an option of computer version. Tap on it. To get it into a full version, tap on go. On the left corner, you can see you have an option of using Odno Class Nikki app or the browser that you're using. I'm going to use a browser, so I'm going to tap on it. You can also do the same or choose of your own. So you can see that you are onto a desktop site. Now you can zoom in, and on the top right corner you will see an option of profile icon. Tap on it. So after tapping on it, you will see an option of help just above login to another profile. Tap on help section. So this is the help section of the Odno Class Nikki app's website. Now tap on my profile. Next to registration, zoom in. You'll see an option of general settings. Tap on general settings on the top. You can see you have an option of how do I delete my profile. Below, the activation code I received is invalid. Tap on how do I delete my profile article. Scroll down, you can see that you can click at license agreement. So tap on license agreement. Now zoom in and tap on delete profile. Here you can see an option of delete profile. Now you need to tell them that why you are leaving. I'm randomly going to select one, and you need to tap on this square in front of the particular reason. And when you're sure you want to lose touch with your friends, you can tap on this enter your password from profile to this blank section. Now enter your password. I'm going to do mine, you can do of your own. When you're done, you can see that just below, a deleted profile can be restored within 183 days from the moment of deletion. So don't try to get logged into your own account, and your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on delete. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully deleted your Odno Class Nikki apps account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.